As a woodworker, we're always collecting pieces of wood from scraps, from leftover projects. So today I'll be using some of those to make a tray. Actually, it's a Yahtzee rolling tray. So we were part of a maker's market this past week, and one of the clients there asked us if we could make this for them. So I figured it's an opportunity to use scrap wood. So here we go. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So what I'm making is very simple. It's easy for a beginner to do and it's fun. It's very easy to make, and it's basically a tray, but I'll decorate it at the end, as you will see. Usually I'll just use butt ends to do the frame, but I thought I'll do a 45-degree angle on each of the corners to make it nice. So the dimensions are 6 inches by 4 3/4 inches. So it's like I said, it's a simple project that you can do in about 5 to 10 minutes. And since it's that easy, I thought I'll make a second one using the same materials and the same dimensions. This is one of those projects, as with many of the projects that I share here, that you can't go wrong with the size. You can go with whatever size you desire. Once all the cuts were made, it was time to put it together using my go-to wood glue and 1.5-inch brad nails. I then sanded it on the drum sander, and then I did some more sanding to make sure it's smooth. I then stained each of them with 2 different stains, but looking at it, you might not notice a difference. And then I added just a light coat of polyurethane. It's a 3X, and it is very thick, so just one coat is just fine. And then I cut a piece of velvet to lay the bottom of each one of the trays. If you're enjoying the videos on this channel, please be a member and subscribe to the channel, and let's grow it together. That encourages me to keep doing what I'm doing. Thank you. You're well appreciated. If you know someone, a family, or a friend who you think might like this video, please share it with them. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today. And we're pretty much done. I know that for the game of Yahtzee you need 5 dice and I only have 3 in hand. And I know you also need a shaker, but you get the point. I won't be playing the game. It's for one of my clients and I'm sure they have enough die to play with. YouTube thinks you might like one of the videos showing up on your screen right now, so keep watching.